Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to have a look at the Sigma 60mm f2.8. This is a really sharp lens. Alright, so here is the Sigma 60mm f2.8 DN. This way. So you have the Sigma America's limited warranty. You have an instruction, kind of, in a bunch of different languages. Yeah, a bunch of different languages. To our valued customer, warranty sticker, and the lens. Let me move those away. Comes in a lens pouch. It says Sigma on it. There's the lens. There's the lens cap. Wow, look at that. Isn't that pretty? There's the back of it. Here's the front of it. And here's the lens cap. Here's with the lens cap. It says in and out on there. Take it out. Now, there's one thing that about this lens that don't be alarmed by is when you hear this, there's a almost like something's moving in this lens. What it is because it's magnetic, when it focuses, when the camera's not on, it just bounces around. When you put it on the camera, it turns on, you don't make the sound anymore. So what does it look like on the camera? See, doesn't move anymore. So here's what it looks like on the camera. Let's see if you can see what it looks like in here. Look how fast it autofocuses. And there you go. See what kind of pictures this takes.